Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. For those that are new, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Today I am so excited to share how you can make your own ornament wreath. I made this beautiful wreath and I was actually surprised at the results. Like when you're making stuff, sometimes you don't really think of it too much and you just hope for the best, but then when you look at it, it's like, oh my God, I can't believe I made that. Well, this is that DIY. So I wanted to share the steps that I took so you can make your very own. If I can do it, you can too. So let's go ahead and dive right into it and get started. The first step is to make your wreath form. You could either buy one from the store or you can make your own by using a pool noodle like this and taping the two ends together with strong tape. The second step is to glue the ornaments on the inside of the ring using hot glue. I like getting the shatterproof ornaments that come in large packs like this. I also use some of my old ornaments from last year, so don't be afraid to recycle. You may have to hold each ornament down for a couple of seconds until the glue hardens. I decided to alternate the different types of ornaments around to add variation. Now it's time to glue some of the ornaments to the top inner part of the ring. Round yon virgin mother and child. The next step is to glue the ornaments to the outer part of the ring. Shepherds quake at the sight. Glory stream from heaven afar. Heavenly hosts singing Alleluia. Now, let's do the top outer part of the ring. Silent Now that we have our big ornaments on there, let's fill in the gaps with small ornaments like this. To fill in the remainder of the gaps, let's glue berries and small pieces of garland in there.
Sing choirs of angels, sing in exaltation, sing all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God, glory in the highest. Oh, come let us adore him.
Once you're finished, flip your wreath over and glue ribbon on the back so you can hang it up on your front door with a wreath hanger.
Him Christ the Lord.
For added security, I added tape to the outside of the ribbon. And here's how it turned out. It is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot stop looking at it. Just think of all the color combinations you could try. I hope you enjoyed this video and found that the information was helpful. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section below. Have you guys made your own wreath? You know, what colors did you use? You know, what's your color scheme? Let's get the dialogue going in the comment section below. I love hearing from you. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful week. Take care. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try watching this one.